Hole saws are one of the most versatile tools that you can have in your arsenal. Whether you are a professional or a DIYist, you can never go wrong if you add one of the best hole saw for cutting thick metal on your toolbox. They're mostly inexpensive, offer a wide range of choices fit for your intended work, and most of all, they are super convenient to utilize. It's just something that all hobbyists should have handy to make sure your upcoming projects won't be as challenging. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best hole saw for cutting thick metal on the market for this year. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Number 1. DEWALT Hole Saw Kit, Metal Cutting. The first entry on our best hole saw for cutting thick metal is from an industry giant, the DEWALT Hole Saw Kit. This 3-piece kit is a quick and reliable option if you need something quick to cut a hole through metal. The carbide teeth that's infused in this hole saw is super durable that you won't regret spending on it. It's one of those tools that are meant and built to last. The 3 different sizing option for this hole saw also makes it versatile enough to handle a lot of different drilling tasks. Not only that, this hole saw is what you'd need if you want to drill at a slightly faster rate, as its teeth are optimized enough to handle such jobs. Take note that this drill is not just for hobbyists but also for professionals, as this hole saw is enough to cut through 0.13 inches of steel. This product also comes with a convenient ejection spring that eases on plug ejection. The raised shoulder also helps prevent breakthrough. Please do take note that while this hole saw is meant for fast cutting, you need to be sure to put enough cutting fluid or oil on harder surfaces. Pros: reliable 3-piece hole saw. Built to last, super durable. Convenient and easy operation. Positive reviews online. Cons: for a 3-piece kit, it can be a bit pricey. Number 2. BOSCH HSM 23-piece M23-piece sheet metal hole saw set. The next entry on our best hole saw for cutting metal is the BOSCH HSM 23-piece M23-piece sheet metal hole saw set. Yep, you read it right, this is a 23-piece set and is meant for the pros to utilize. This is a top-quality hole saw and is super reliable. Hole cutting has never been easier thanks in part to this product's auto disc ejection technology. And then a huge part of that convenience is because of its positive lock design that minimizes wobbling as you work. This should be a pro's dream kit, as it is not only reliable and convenient but also super affordable. All of that without compromising the kit's durability. Rest assured that your investment will be well worth it, because this 23-piece set is built to last. The pilot bit should easily snap into the mandrel. The threadless design should then prevent seizing into the mandrel, plus provide quick and convenient changes. And the easy plug removal should then be the icing on the cake. Pros: reliable and durable hole saw set. Multiple sizing options is a pro's dream. Convenient and easy to use. Great value for money. Cons: easy plug removal. Number 3. Drillpro Hole Saw Kit HSS Drill Bit Hole Saw Set. Next on our list is Drillpro's 13-piece hole saw kit. Right off the bat, we want to tell you that this 13-piece set should be the wisest investment that you'd ever have to spend on to date. Not only is it affordable, but it's so versatile and reliable at the same time. Not just the pricing, but what comes in the package is the sweet spot that both hobbyists and professionals alike have been waiting for. We'd even be willing to go out on a limb and say that this is the best hole saw kit you can buy when you are on a budget. The whole kit is resistant and durable. It's made of HSS, or what we call high-speed steel, with extremely sharp blades that impact, plus we're resistant, durable, and low consumption. This kit is also very precise as well efficient. The carbide teeth that the hole saws are infused with ensure the cleanest cut round holes on stainless steel, iron, mild steel, aluminum plate, plastic sheet, alloy plate, copper, and also brass. Pros: very affordable kit. A versatile kit that's fit for both hobbyists and professionals. Wide range of applications. Multiple sizing options. Cons: some minor design mishaps like visual indicators on the kit. Number 4. Milwaukee 28-piece, 49-22-4185, All-Purpose Professional Ice Hardened Hole Saw Kit. Take a gander at one of the most versatile kits on our list. We're talking about the Milwaukee 28 All-Purpose Professional Piece Hole Saw Kit. This 28-piece set is sure to accommodate all of your hole drilling needs. So if you're a professional, then this should be your go-to kit. The combination of red and white makes this kit look really nice, and that's not all there is to this awesome efficient set. Obviously, this kit is for those who work and uses a lot of hole saws and for those who need irregular sizes most of the time. That's where the 28 sizing options come in. With such a wide range of choices, this kit is not only one of the most versatile on our list but the kit with the most applications. The size range covers 0.75 inches to 4.75 inches. And you'd think that with all the options this kit would be complicated to use? Well, it's not. It's designed to be easy to handle and convenient to utilize. Pros: multiple sizing options for professionals. Fast and clean cuts. Very reliable and durable kit. Great value for money. Cons: not a kit for hobbyists. Number 5. Greenlee 667-piece quick change carbide tipped hole cutter set. Next on our best hole saw for cutting thick metal is Greenlee's 660 hole saw kit. This 6-piece kit is very efficient when it comes to cutting through the thickest metal. And that's all thanks to its precision carbide teeth that ensures optimum performance as well as durability. It's safe to say that all products on our list are built tough and meant to last, and this set is of no exception. The set comes with 5 cutter heads, hex key, arbor, and a case. Once again, this product is imbued with the very efficient and effective carbide teeth. That ensures a not only superb performance but also durability. Users have attested that while this set has gone through a significant amount of usage, it still does not show signs of wear or stress at all. Pros: reliable quality. Easy to clean and utilize. Precision drilling and cutting of holes is its primary strength. Wear-resistant quality. Cons: a bit pricey. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Now, in the comments, what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.